Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this gorgeous curly bun. So grab your hair products and let's get started. First, let's start by moisturizing the hair. I'm using the Dark and Lovely moisturizer to hydrate my hair. Apply the moisturizer evenly throughout your hair and detangle it using a hairbrush. Next, apply the gel throughout your hair. I'm using the EasyHairstyles hair gel to smooth down everything. Brush your hair in an upward motion to prep it for a sleek bun. Use a hair tie to secure your hair into a bun at the top of your head. Once the bun is in place, brush down any flyaways for a neat look. Take your ponytail and twist it in the opposite direction. Then secure it with another hair tie. Now, grab a curly hair bundle. I'm using the Magic Curly Hair Bundle for this look. Take a bobby pin and attach it to the start of the bundle. Using the attached bobby pin, secure the bundle close to your bun and begin wrapping it around. Once you reach the end, add another bobby pin to secure the bundle in place. Just throw out the bundles to make sure there are no tangles. Now, take the hair bundle and wrap it around your bun to create a curly, voluminous style. Tuck in any loose strands for a polished finish. To frame your face, pick 2 small curly strands. Make sure they are not too thick for a more natural look. Let's style the edges. Grab an old toothbrush, brush down your edges, and apply some edge gel to sleek them down beautifully. And there you have it, a beautiful curly bun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!